Hi, this kata is called find the capitals. What we have here is a function that takes a string as an argument, and what we have to return is a list with all the indices of the letters that are capital. Let's go. So first of all, I want to iterate. So for letter and then in the range of the length of the word. Or let's rename this to index. That's what it is actually. So let's print the index and the corresponding letters. There we have them. And now we have to build in a condition to check whether a letter is capital or lowercase. Letter should be upper. And for that we have the dot is upper method. Actually returns a Boolean value. If you are dealing with a capital letter, it will return true, and otherwise it will return false. There we have it. As you can see, all the capital letters return true. And in such a case, we have to append the index to a new list. So let's create that. Result is empty list. And then we can define our condition. If we are dealing with an uppercase letter, then we append it to the new list. Well, actually, we append the index, of course, not the letter itself. And then we can return our list. Let's check it out. This is the same. How about capturing this in one line? Return index for index in the range of the length of the word if the actual letter is upper case. Let's test it out. Attempt. Perfect. I hope you learned something from this. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.